Hi, I'm Dawn Evans. I'm Company Director of Ajuda Ltd. We're a health, safety and vocational training company. I started in business in 2006 as a sole trader initially, transformed into a limited company 2009, and we're just coming into our 10th year of business this year. I think the biggest challenge I've had is juggling family life with business life. Trying to split myself between Dawn the businesswoman and Dawn the mother. But apart from that, it's been a roller coaster ride, as all company journeys are. But the highs are really high and the lows haven't been low enough to warrant me giving up. So it's been a journey. There's been a few hurdles, and if I couldn't get over them, then I've just gone round them. Yeah, there's been lots of achievements, to be honest, through the journey of the business. We've won quite a few awards, Community Contribution Award. One of my favourite awards was the Heart Heroes Award, which I got invited to St James's Palace, and the chance to meet Prince Philip and talk about all the lives that we'd saved through our training. My father himself, his life was saved because my mother performed CPR on my father after completing her first aid course. Tips for marketing. Magazines obviously got their place, but they've only got a small shelf life. For us as a company, social media all the way. We've got our own YouTube channel, we've got Instagram, we've got Facebook, Twitter, and just use the platforms, use them wisely, use them regularly, and then people will find you. So when I started my business in 2006, I went to Business Wales and I was allocated a mentor, and he recommended that I did a training scheme, and off the back of that scheme I was awarded what was called the KEF Scholarship, Knowledge Enterprise Fund, and that enabled me to have some funding off the Welsh Government and start my business and support me for the first 12 months. And Chris, my mentor, became a great asset to my company and my journey, and I don't think I would have got through the first 12 months without him, because I literally knew nothing about business. I didn't even know what an invoice was. But 10 years on, the business is flourishing, and it's nice now because I've now myself become a mentor for Business Wales, and it's great feeling knowing that I can too give something back to young businesses. I think for me, to be a successful business person is just stick to the basics, which is honesty, integrity. Don't let people down, don't make promises that you can't fulfill, and enjoy the journey. For anyone who's setting up in business, my 3 main top tips would be to dream big, believe in yourself, and stay honest and true to yourself.